Hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. So Lily Ray, who's one of the more popular SEOs out there, you see her at various SEO summits, recently published an article on Medium. No, sorry, she published an article on Substack. And the article is Google finally cracking down on self-promotion listicles? Now, in this article, if you want to read, there's a link in the description to the article. And I have absolutely nothing to do with Lily Ray. I think she actually doesn't really like me. But in this video, we're going to go into and dissect what she is saying. And is it really true that Google is cracking down on listicles? And if that is true, then why do we see so many listicles ranking? And what types of listicles still work and will work in 2026? So over the past year, she says, over the past year, one of the most common tactics for gaining visibility in AI search has been for companies to publish listicle content on their blogs, ranking the best companies or products in the niche and placing themselves in the number one spot. Now, if you've been doing SEO for long enough, you have probably also taken this approach. I've taken this approach. Many other companies take this approach. Uh, in particular, VPN companies, I'm that sell VPNs or VPN subscriptions, kind of take that service, kind of take that approach. Um, Gambling industry takes that approach a lot. And according to her, Google appears to be cracking down on this. Now, she doesn't make a solid claim as to whether or not Google is cracking down on this, but let's take a look at what she has to say. Scroll along, it has become increasingly common for companies using this tactic to collaborate with others in the same industry, mutually promoting one another and their respective listicles. A modern twist on reciprocal linking. You mentioned me, and I'll mention you. So, in other words, one company, make a listicle and mention another company in it, put them like number one, and that other company will do the same and put the other company number one. So it's kind of like I would mention you, and you would be number one in my listicle. You would mention me and you will put me number one in your listicle. And here is a screenshot of what she found. So she did a search for best content marketing agencies into Google's AI overviews, and you might see results like this. And there's a screenshot of the results she shows. And a lot of this is listicles type content. But when you dig into the listed sources, you'll notice that the recommended companies are using listicle style blogs to rank themselves as number one top content marketing agency. Examples from Omnisend, 10 Speed, and Optimist as shown in the sources above. Search queries containing best tend to return recent results, both in search results and within LLM responses. For example, when a user is looking for the best accounting software for businesses, Google often prominently ranks articles that were published or updated from the last year, and ChatGPT also generates fan out queries containing 2026 to ensure the user's query pulls up the recent information. All right, so all things considered, what she's saying is two things. The number one is there are two types of listicles. The first being, well, the most common one being the best VPN service. Let's say that's one. So if people are searching for the best, usually the LLM and Google will try to find the most latest updated articles. And so at the fun of the fan of queries, if it's 2026, will be 2026. If it's an LLM and Google trying to find articles that were written within 2026 or and the ones that were February 2026 will probably rank better than the ones that were January 2026, obviously, because it's February right now when I'm making this video, and January will already passed. But there is a but to this. She says that it ranks until it doesn't, and she's got these screenshots over here that show a lot of these brands losing traffic, searching for clues after Google ranking volatility. So she's showing the brands losing traffic. All right. So the question is this really true? Like whenever you read an article like this, it's always really important to look into what's really going on. And so one of the ways I do this is I do a Google search on my own and I try to figure out what's going on. So let's do this real quick. All right. First thing first, I log into Google. I'm incognito mode. Always do these types of searches in incognito mode. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a few listicle searches and explain to you why they're ranking or not ranking. So the first one we'll do is best VPN. All right, let's do best VPN in the UA. That is what Google has suggested. And the top five over here. So number one and number two, both of which are sponsored results. So one sponsored result is actually from Forbes, interestingly. So top five VPN in Dubai. So this one right here is by Forbes. And that's interesting that Forbes doesn't really sell VPNs, but Forbes is part of their affiliate network. They get an affiliate commission whenever someone clicks on a link on the Forbes article and gets a VPN service. So here the AI overview says the best VPNs for UAE in 2026 are Nord, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN. And if you look over here on the right where they have these three references that says find best VPNs for the UAE and Dubai in 2026. All right, 2026, best 5 VPNs, best VPN in the UAE. We scroll down, best VPN that works in the UAE. So this is a Reddit article. We scroll down, we see 5 best, NordVPN's big sale, Urban VPN, we see unlimited VPNs, we see best VPN for the UAE. And so all of these are listicles. All of which are ranking over here, they're all listicles. Even the ones that AI overviews. So let's click on this one over here. What are the best VPNs for Dubai? This is, by all means, a listicle. It's not only a listicle, it's an AI-generated listicle. So these guys are not sat down and actually reviewed anything. They've just written an AI listicle. So, all right, so let's make the argument over here that, let's say, these types of listicles are ranking because these types of listicles are not, they're not reciprocal, so they're not promoting each other. And that is the argument made by Lily that only articles that are promoting each other, Google is probably cracking down on, or maybe there's the assumption that's made in the article. It's not exactly clear to me. Let's just try something else. Let's try best DUI lawyers, right? The best DUI lawyers. Now, if I do a search for best DUI lawyers, I get local listings because I'm in the UAE, so you see a lot of local listings. But you also see the 10 best drunk driving lawyers in Dubai. So that's a listicle. Expert drunk driving lawyer, DUI defense in Dubai. So this one is not a listicle. Okay. And there's no AI overviews that came up for this. So we just scroll down. Our 5 favorite firms with DUI lawyers, another listicle. DUI and traffic offenses, another listicle. That the 10 best DUI lawyers in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, another listicle. Best criminal lawyers in Dubai, another listicle. So listicle after listicle after listicle. So Google is not really cracking down on listicles now. For this one, AI overviews did not come up. So let's try something else for which AI overviews will come up. Let's try best. I know. Let's try a more international term. So best. Let's try something different. Let's try best free streaming service. Okay, streaming service. All right, best free streaming service. First thing you see here is Reddit. Best free streaming sites. So that's a listicle over here. And Tubi, Riku, Roku, Channel, Pluto, and more streaming services. Then you've got the AI overviews. The AI overviews is quite literally a listicle. So, and if you look at the sources are Reddit. So it's pulling its listicles from Reddit, from the TV Guide. TV Guide also says the 6 best free streaming services in 2025. So that's where it's pulling it out, even though this is a best term. So it should be showing us search terms on 2026. But the training cutoff data for AI overviews is 2025. So you'll see some of the results on 2025. And so a lot of these are all listicles. So the assumption that listicles are not working in 2026, I think is maybe an incorrect assumption, especially when it comes to these best types. So the best streaming services, the best DUI lawyers, the best VPNs, they're all ranking. Okay. So it's not like Google is doing away with them. They're also showing up in AI reviews. And the AI written listicles are also showing up in AI overviews. So this whole hoopla about it not working is that's not really the case. It's not that simple. So let's do something else. Let's actually search for a listicle and see what we get right in the world. Top beaches for weddings in the world. Let's try this. Let's see if we get a listicle. Now, first things first, AI overviews pops up for this. And the best wedding destinations in the world, listicle. Best beach destination wedding location in the world, listicle. Top beach wedding destinations for guides, brides, listicle. The AI overviews, listicle. 60 most stunning beach wedding venues around the world, listicle. So all of these are ranking perfectly well. Okay. So again, if you want to debunk something or you want to go into something into detail, you might want to go and take a look at the Google circuit. So listicles are working. The best type of listicles are working. Listicles are still ranking. But should you do listicles? And the answer to that is if you're running a purely informational site and your site has good domain authority, your listicles would rank. It's worth doing with listicles. If you don't have the domain authority and you're just pumping out listicles, listicle after listicle after listicle, and you don't have any other meaningful content on your website, doing those listicles are not going to be good for you. And at the end of the day, you might experience some ranking in the beginning. The AI reviews might pick you up, but without because you don't have the domain authority, you don't have the links, you don't have the internal links, you don't have the external links, you don't have the cloud required to actually rank for those listicles. Those will stop working for you. That is why a lot of the affiliate sites out there that rank for these listicles have good domain authority. And if you do the research, you put them through Ahrefs and you put them through Moz, and you just look at the page authority of the listicles and you look at the main authority of the listicles, you will see that they have very good domain authority and page authority, which is one of the reasons why they are ranking. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this. And if you've seen listicles rank in your location, and again, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy ranking.